Hozir Juvayo kuchli o'qishlar bilan qarshi oladi. Sizning qarshingizda DIKKI kuydik.
Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, better known as ADHD, is a mental disorder that affects an individual's ability to focus, causing them to move around more frequently. They may also have trouble controlling their impulsive behaviors.
One time for the praying on my downfall. Yeah. 2 times for the homies in the chow hall. Whoa. 3 times for the on the internet known when they really should get out more. 4 times for the days that were all bad. 5 times for the that we call back. Yeah. 6 times for the kids like me who got ADHD just a kidnapping crisis. Whoa, turn the whole world to a crisis. Whoa, walk around the city with an ice pick. I've been paranoid, usually I ain't like this. Ain't no telling how crazy I might get. Beat the police with a nightstick. In my whole life I've been lifeless. Now I'm so fly, I'm a more flight risk. Whoa, kick up till I pass out. Whoa, throwing stones at my glass house. Whoa, I remember sleeping on my dad's couch. Whoa, now I got the belly and it's blacked out. Whoa, family looking at me like a cash cow. Whoa, everybody dissing just a half clout. Whoa, thought you had a chance, then you down. I'm the mother man, where you at now? Whoa, get down and hit them till they jumping. I ain't tripping, this is nothing. I've been living in the dungeon. I've been held a couple grudges. Went to hell and got them stuck to meet the devil. I'm his cousin, I ain't settling for nothing. Got a medal in the trunk, I keep a semi one. I'm busting, stuck in even Stevie Wonder couldn't see it coming. I ain't judging, I just want the money. I don't need a budget. I've been hungry, I ain't got no other, but I got no lunch. How you gonna move on the front line? If I don't quit you, I just cut ties. My high school teacher said I'd never beat till I turned out just fine. I know I don't know you for the 12th time. We do not share the same bloodline. You love to run your mouth like a tough guy. Hope you keep the same energy when it's crunch time.
According to the American Psychiatric Association, it affects roughly 8% of children and 2% of adults, commonly believed to only affect boys because they are perceived as rowdy and rambunctious.